There is a built-in function to reverse the order of the items in the list. Since sort function does not come with options to specify the order in which to sort, you can combine sort and reverse to achieve the same effect. So if you want to sort the list of numbers in a descending order rather than ascending order, we can use sort and reverse. You can see the numbers were first sorted in ascending order, and then you go reverse to a descending order. You can do the same with strings as well. If you want to order the strings in a reverse order, sort the items first, and that will order the strings in an alphabetical order. To make it ignore the case when sorting, you can add an I, and now it's sorted properly. You can reverse this order, and you get the strings with reverse alphabetical order. For some reason, if you echo the reverse function, it does not seem to get executed. So make sure you call on it and not echo on it.